by just making observations that I know you have to agree with, I can very invisibly get an unconscious yes, which will be less likely to trigger your conscious mind. Okay, so that's the basic premise there. So how do we actually use this and practice in our daily conversations? Well, the secret here is to use hypnotic language, because hypnotic language not only allows you to flow more smoothly, it's also designed to get many of these kind of yeses like I've demonstrated for you. Now, I'd like to give an example of what I mean. For the purpose of this example, let's say that I'd like for you to feel a little bit more calm, a little more relaxed, because that's a pleasant way to be. So I'd like you to close your eyes and just consider all the times in the past that you've been relaxed. Now, I realize you can't always relax whenever you want to, but I also know that you can relax and that you have relaxed in many different times in your life. And of course, when you have relaxed, you have comfort as well, a calmness of mind and a comfort in the body, because relaxation brings calmness and comfort with it. You can be calm, comfortable, and relaxed and not even know how much more comfortable you can be. Everyone's had the experience of relaxing comfortably and then being even more relaxed than when they began. Now, as a human being, you have a physical body which can experience physical comfort along with physical muscular relaxation. And you also have a mind, and your mind can feel just as relaxed as your body, calm, at peace, and easy now. So, whenever you're ready, come on back and open your eyes up. You should have noticed that from closing your eyes till now, you have an increased sense of calmness, relaxation, and comfort, even if it's not nearly as profound as you might like it to be. The point is, a shift has occurred in just 60 seconds or so of my talking to you about these particular themes. But I didn't just talk about those themes. I used hypnotic language which allowed those themes to flow smoothly, and very importantly, every single idea was presented to you in a way that is very acceptable to you. Because each individual idea about relaxation, about comfort, about calmness was acceptable to you, it's something you can say yes to, your mind just let it slide in. And so as these ideas accumulated, I was moving you step by step by step towards comfort and relaxation, which means at the same time I was moving you from the no room to the yes room, one in which it was comfortable and it seemed proper to accept the ideas. Of course, as a result of all this, you had a physical experience. Your mind relaxed, your body relaxed, you felt more comfortable, and so on. These are all things that your unconscious mind does for you. So, with just a few eloquent hypnotic language terms, I have managed to activate the full ABS formula. I have your attention. I bypass the critical factor by moving you from the no room to the yes room with lots of little things you can say yes to. And I've caused you to have a slight changing in the way you feel inside your body, which means I've stimulated an unconscious response, even if it's just to a small degree. So that's the hypnotic agreement principle in action for you. Okay, this completes the training portion of our time together. What you should have now is a very good understanding of the four main principles involved in getting other people's agreement to your ideas and requests. I would like to encourage you to start out by simply becoming more mindful of these four principles in action in your own and in other people's conversations and communications.
To continue with the rest of the training, click the link in the description box to download the rest of the videos for free.